What is up, everybody? Welcome back. We are out here. This thing is finally done. Everything is back together. Bumper is on. New fenders are in there. She is clean for once. Wheels are actually silver. And I think we are gonna go take her out for her first drive now that the Whipple and everything is done. And I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. Should be fun. It's not my first drive, as I've been tuning it and getting the tune and stuff dialed in, but she's ready to roll and the car's feeling pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead, take it out and see what we got. Yeah, let's go ahead, turn the car on, hop into it and see what's up. All right, so let's go ahead, hop on in the car. It is hot in here. Sounds pretty healthy. Now I actually have to let my cars warm up. I used to let them warm up, but not as long as I probably should have. So now I actually have to let it sit there and get up to temp before I start driving it. But yeah, she's ready to roll. We're gonna let her warm up for a second and then we will be out on the streets. There she is. This thing's on an incline, so you gotta ignore that. Got the carbon coil covers in there. I do have my new taillights here, finally, from Scent Belt, so that you will see in the next video. But all right, let's go ahead and close this and get in the car and let it rip. All right, we are out here on the roads now. And this thing feels really well. From the little bit of driving and stuff that I've been doing data logs, car feels really, really good. Obviously the Whipple tune is very restricted, I feel like. So I feel like the car is holding back a lot of what it actually has. I'm not really gonna mess with any of that for right now. I'm just gonna leave it on the Whipple tune. The Whipple tune is pretty dialed in right now. Car feels good. It definitely feels like it's making high sixes, maybe low sevens, I don't know. I'm supposed to go get it dynoed here in the next week or so, right before Mustang week. So then I will have a better understanding of what the car actually makes and what I'm feeling. Car feels overall really good. I've been driving it around in Sport Plus mode with TCS completely off, and other than this bump right here, it feels pretty dang good. Suspension's dialed in. You can kind of hear a faint like whistle of the blower. I do wish the Whipples were a little bit louder, but unfortunately they're not very loud on the Fords. I know their Dodge blowers are really loud because the Dodges are naturally loud in general, but the Ford ones aren't super loud. I know I can get the Foster whine mod to install on the car, but I didn't really like the idea of drilling into the firewall of the car. I was like, I was gonna do that, and but I saw that you have to drill through down here by the gas pedal or whatever, so it makes the sound tube come through, and I don't know if I want to do that just for the whine. Honestly, this car feels NA. When I drive it around on the street, it literally feels like an NA car until after 3,000 RPMs, and that's where you feel it like hit when you're in the throttle. So right now I'm just gonna drive around on the street for a little bit, and then we'll go hit the highway. Speaking of Mustang week, we will be down there this year. I'll have this car, my dad will have Wasp, Derek will have the Shelby, Tyler's bringing Sonic, Jake's bringing the Dark Horse. So we'll all have Whipple cars there, and then it's gonna be Jake and the Dark Horse, which Dark Horse is tuned, making about 500 now to the wheels. So that car is a pretty good little street car now. Oh, I'm not making this light, damn it. But yeah, Mustang week should be a pretty fun time. We're going down there on Saturday, August 30th, and then we leave to come home on Saturday, September 6th. I sometimes stay till Sunday and come back on the 7th. Have not decided what the plans are for that yet. I usually don't make those decisions until I am already down there. Even with AC on, I have AC on max right now. Well, not really on max. I have the AC on, and this car drives perfectly fine with AC on. I don't really feel a difference between AC on, AC off. But yeah, this thing feels fantastic. I've absolutely been loving just driving this car around on the street. I can kind of fly around. It is a lot louder though. I say putting that giant vacuum cleaner on top of the motor definitely made the exhaust a lot louder, kind of just driving around. But no check engine lights, no problems at all. During the logs, we had to do a couple different files just to do a little bit of revisioning on certain bits and pieces. But other than that, everything felt really good. Car still handles great. I just have to watch my throttle inputs to not overdo it. I've been driving it pretty much everywhere with no traction control and haven't really had any issues. These Firestone Indy 500s are like the best tire in the world. They literally do not slip at all. Only time they slip is if you're in first or second gear and like smack it. Other than that, these tires are so good. We got a nice little twisty section right here. Good through the corners and stuff. Still has that Minion suspension feel. These Koni GTS coilovers are literally insane when it comes to hitting the corners and actually sticking. Like, it feels so good through the corners. Even the rev matches are so good now with the new setup. It sounds like a whip getting smacked. Sounds so good. But we're about to come around the corner over here and then get on the main road and then hit the highway to our next location. All right, we're about to hit the highway, and I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of a third gear pull getting onto the highway at third gear. I'm just letting everybody in front of me get a little bit of a distance just in case they want to be a little bit slower on the road. But cool. Looks like I have a pretty clear open entry ramp. I'm at 3,400 RPMs, so I should be right in the boost. And now we're back to highway temp. This thing feels really good at speed. Those little corners at high speed, the car definitely wants to kind of bounce around a little bit, but overall feels really good. And on the highway with the AC on, car drives fantastic. And when I first put the first tune on, it had a little bit of a random misfire on the highway. Little did I know I needed to go do the crank relearn on it, which I hadn't done yet since doing everything. So I went through, did a crank relearn and reset everything, and now the car on the highway drives fantastic. Around this speed in 6th gear, like 75, 80, after like 2,300 RPMs, the car would kind of like start buckling and jerking and stuff like that, and you'd get a check engine light that was flashing. And once I did the crank relearn, all that went away and the car feels absolutely fantastic now, kind of just cruising around, and everything is so smooth. I think raising up the coilovers a little bit also made it a little bit smoother, because these bridges aren't as bad to hit, and everything feels really, really good right now. And I'm just cruising in 6th, and then I'm gonna get back off the highway here in a second and we'll get back on the main road. But yeah, highway driving is fantastic. So the drive to Mustang week is going to be great, not having to worry about any of the cars tweaking out, and I can actually use AC without the car throwing a fit. I just can't get over how good this thing drives on the highway. It literally drives so perfect out here. I'm just holding 75, just cruising. I'm getting smoked by everybody else. Like, I don't know what people are doing today. I'm going 75 and I'm being passed like I'm sitting still. And there's this slow ass thing right here. I haven't seen a Tiburon in years, man. But yeah, this thing's feeling really good. I'm enjoying this car a lot right now. Out of nowhere, traffic came from every direction. There was nobody here a second ago. Now there's everybody. Why are we slowing down? What is happening? Dude, I'm gonna crash out, dog. All right, boys, we have made it home. But yeah, this thing is driving really well. Sounds pretty healthy, sounds pretty good, feels pretty good. And yeah, we're a few weeks away from Mustang week, so very excited for that. Next thing on the list is going to be swapping out the taillights to the Simp built taillights. So that will be the next video that you see. I planned on doing all of that at the same time, but I figured I would separate that into 2 different videos, give Nick his own video. But yeah, driving this thing is really nice. I know I am supposed to be getting the new dash, the new carbon dash, to fix that. I'm just waiting for Ryan to send it over to me. And yeah, I don't know how long this video necessarily is going to be, but I do appreciate y'all tuning in. It probably wasn't the most insane, exciting or anything like that, but first drive in Minion is complete. She is ready to rep, and she's ready for the beach with all of y'all. So let me know if you're going to Mustang week. We do look forward to seeing y'all there. And like I said, me with this car, Derek with the Whipple car, Tyler with Sonic, Dad with Wasp. Whipple week 2025 coming at you. But yeah, gonna be fun. Make sure y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we will see y'all later. Peace out. Have a good one.